Hello everyone, and today we have another graphic card for repair, and the problem on this graphic card is I think it's better if I just read you a message from a customer. Let's see. A few days ago my Power Color 390 went out on me. I'm not 100% sure why. It took me 2 days to finally figure it out. It was my graphic card. Symptoms. Sometimes shows a distorted picture for a second before going black. Mobile LED indicates it's a graphic card issue. Switching HDMI ports from a graphic card to motherboard does nothing, which means it registers the graphic card connected to motherboard, which is so true, and continues to restart when a graphic card is connected. Very frustrated, but there is a good, because after searching for a fix I came across a channel, a Mitten channel by the way. Thank you so much. So I'm willing to send you my graphic card. Thank you so much, Andrew. What Andrew says already happened to me a couple of times. I'll just try catch it on camera because it happens randomly. Usually it happens under the load, and let's see first if it happens to us on a benchmark. Okay, so it just actually happened. That's a typical die of a GPU, and I already contacted a customer and he agreed for repairs, so me, you and this graphic card will meet together in 2 weeks. Okay, it comes in a box, which is... Thank you very much. Alright, up front it looks nice and clean, looks acceptable. I don't really see any cracks or a couple scratches, but that's fine. And on the back, well, this chip been definitely reballed from what I think, cause this is 0.45 millimeters balls, and the new chips they usually come with the 0.5 millimeter balls. We will be definitely will be tell while installing this chip if it's gonna melt on around 170 degrees. Then this is lead containing solder, which is mean it been reballed with the reballing balls. Okay, let's put it aside. In any way, we're gonna install it and check it out how it works. And let's have a little talk about our graphic card. If you watched my previous video where we also had a 390 graphic card, we had a problem with this phase. And from what we see over here, Power Color, they're a little bit knowing a problem about this phase, that it gets sometimes overloaded. So they put a little radiator over here, which they get a little plus from us. But let's go from this little plus to our huge minus, which is there's no fuses at all. Even comparing our previous card with this card, our previous card was just stuck with the fuses. On this one there is just none. Well, in this case, if there's any power issues, it all depends on what kind of star you was born. If you was born on the lucky star, then you're just changing out the transistor and everyone is happy. In the worst case scenario, of course, if those 12 volts eventually through this transistor will go to your chip. Another thing, what could happen is like on this card, that's already something drilled and tried to track a short, but was unfortunate. And yeah, this already whole graphic card goes like a donor. But actually, what very surprised me, chip was good, and I already used it on another card. As a bonus, we will try protect our card, and what phases we will do is this one, it powers up those 2 phases, this one powers up those 4 phases, this phase which is hiding under the cap is powering up our memory, and this one right here, it powers up those 2 phases. Yeah, let's think something about it.
from a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Fada, fada. I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. When my heart was on the ground, I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Fada, fada.
I ran with the multimeter PCI Express on this graphic card as well. Really quick did go over all main powers and didn't find any shorts or low resistance, so we are ready to try and launch it for the first time. Let's just prepare a multimeter. Oh, and of course I'm plugging our hard drive. And yes, we have a picture. Been testing this card already for quite a long time. So far no issues were found. I'm very glad how it works, and it makes me just ha ha ha. That's how actually our fuses looks like. Probably not that beautiful. I did my best, but yeah, beauty, that's not something I'm concerned, because I'm more concerned with durability right now. I really don't want that any short will kill our chip, brand new chip. So let's just show you how other looks like. Okay, and let's test it out together. How we can see driver is installed perfectly fine. And yeah, let's go over. I like how temperature is increasing on this chip as well. It doesn't go over 70 degrees, and it increases very smoothly. There is no rapid peaks or anything, just lovely. So here's our jolty guy. Please put likes, dislikes, subscribe for more repairs, and I'll see you in another video. Thank you, bye.